of self-care. If you haven't watched the episode 1 of self-care, I'll be linking it up over here. Go watch that. It is a pedicure routine, and today's episode is going to be your facial care. So I'm going to show you how to do a facial at home using the products you have at home. You can make everything. I'm going to show you using the items in your kitchen. You needn't go out in this pandemic time and get this stuff. It's highly beneficial for your skin. It will brighten your skin. As you can see, I have completed my facial just now. You can see the glow it gives onto my skin. Before using any of this DIY method, make sure that you are doing a patch test so that you're sure that you're not allergic to any of the ingredients I have used. This particular facial routine is very much suitable for boys as well as girls, so do not worry. You can very well go ahead and use this method, guys. It is also really beneficial for your skin. Guys or boys, if you're trying to do this facial method for better result, it is advised to remove or shave off your beard so that when you're doing this treatment, it will uniformly treat your skin. If you're using it on top of the beard, it will not seep into your skin. If you're doing this, just shave off your beard. It will grow soon, I know. So if you're interested to watch this video, please keep on watching. Before that, guys, if you're someone new and looking at this face for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. I'm uploading 2 videos per week. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So we are going to start a quick glow up with scrubbing. Scrubbing your skin is really important because it helps to exfoliate your skin and take away the dead skins off, so that you will be having that brighter effect of your skin. Because your dead skin is off, you will have a brighter complexion. So for that, I'm first using this scrub which I DIY'd, as you have already seen. Flour is very gentle onto your skin, so that if you're having sensitive skin and you want to scrub, just try and use rice flour, because it works well with your skin and it doesn't create micro tears like other scrubs you use. And rice is very much well known for giving that brightening effect along with the raw milk. That is why I'm using this mixture. So let's scrub. While scrubbing, please make sure that you will not go under your eyes and scrub there, because the skin under your eyes is very sensitive. Do not scrub over there. Also make sure that you're giving gentle pressure and not going vigorously scrubbing your skin. It's not good for your skin as well. Just go in a circular motion and make sure that you are relaxing and doing this. Make sure that you are going to wash your face using lukewarm water, so that you will have your pores open. Make sure you do not rub your skin, just pat it, and this kind of cloth will really absorb the moisture. Now I bet that you guys can see visible difference on my neck as well as my face. It looks brighter. The next step is nothing but our lips. So if you take a closer look at my lips, you can see it is actually having dead skins over here, and it's a bit not so good looking. That I have prepared a scrub over here, as you can see. It's nothing but I have added brown sugar plus lemon juice, a few drops, and then I have added a little bit of coconut oil. So this is the scrub I'm going to use around my lips. It's gonna take all that dead skin off and give you the beautiful pink lips. So that is why I'm using this. You can use normal sugar, normal crystal sugar, you know, the white sugar, instead of brown sugar. The reason I'm using brown sugar is it will give me better exfoliation. It is very you know, smaller like rice flour. It is very good for sensitive skin and sensitive lips. That is why I'm using brown sugar over here. If you have white sugar, you can go ahead and use it. The only thing is that white sugar is a bit chunky, and for the lip area it's a bit difficult to work with. Also do this with your white sugar. You can, you know, powder your white sugar and use this. As you can see, the dead cells are gone and my lips is feeling very soft and supple. So for facial massage, you always need a massage cream which goes smooth on your skin so that it can give proper strokes, so that your skin will be lifted up and gives you that, you know, good facial feel. So for that I am going to use this particular oil. It's nothing but the extra virgin olive oil, as you can see. This is a lighter oil, guys, and also it doesn't clog your pores, so you can very well use it. Just look at the, you know, facial massages and motions I'm doing, so that this will actually help you relax your facial muscles, and also it relieves stress from you. So just follow whatever I'm doing right now. Just taking it on my fingertips, heat it a bit, like between your fingers, and start, you know, beating like this. You can go under your eyes with olive oil. Make sure you're using extra virgin so that you will get the fullest benefit. Do not go overboard with oil, guys. Just apply whatever, how much ever is needed. First we'll start with the forehead. All these massages just for 5 times and not more than that. It's not good for your skin if you overdo facial massages as well. Next I'm going to the nose part. Using the same middle finger, I'm going to pinch my nose like this, ever so slightly and gently. I'm going to use my thumb. Just make sure you're resting your, you know, both the hands on a table or a chair, and then, you know, move your head towards your thumb so that your thumb fits in this part of your eye socket, just between you know, eyes and your brow, this part, this bone part. About 15 seconds, the best feeling, guys. It will relieve your stress to a greater extent. So just do this twice. 15 seconds, 15 seconds, so totally 30 seconds. Do this for 30 seconds. Make sure you're not giving the pressure with your, you know, thumb. Your thumb should be still. The pressure you're giving to this part should be solely the way you rest your head. Then I'm going to take a bit more of oil on these 2 fingers and making sure I'll go around my brows like this. Just hold like this, hold, go like this. Next, your under eyes. Again, I'm using my ring finger for my under eyes. This ring finger, because it gives the slightest pressure. Going to press a bit for 2-3 seconds. And then go like this. After that, we are going to this cheek area. A bit more oil, not much, a drop of oil. Heat it up, apply, give this motion. Just look at the way I'm doing. Next, make something like this with your fingers. Just make sure your cheekbone, you can feel your cheekbone with this, like this. What this does is sculpt your cheeks. I take some more. Make the same, keep your fingers the same way and go like this. Make sure you're going till your ears. In these two fingers, massage this part of your face so that you don't get that harsh smile lines. That's it. Next I'm going for the neck. For neck, what I'm going to do is first using this, I'm going to make sure I'm draining all the toxic fluids which I have accumulated from these parts of the face, because if you have seen the motion I'm using is outward motion, so that all the that lymphatic drainage you say, I don't know exactly what to call those, so those fluids will be settled over here and you have bordered till this. So after that you have to drain it over here. So for that I'm using the same thing and draining it. Next what I'm going to do is I'm using a cotton pad, has some warm water. I'm wiping off the excess oil from my face so that my face is ready for the face pack. Now our final step is step 4. For step 4 I have a face pack over here. This is how I made it. Facial pack brush to apply this. Don't forget to apply on your neck. I applied 2 layers of the face pack so that my skin is properly covered. I'm going to wait for 15 minutes till this pack is semi dry and then wash this off. I'm sure you guys can see the difference. So my skin is brighter than before, as you can really see. Let me show you the difference. That's it for this video, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have liked this video, please hit that like button, guys. I have worked hard for this video, and there are more videos, more self-care episodes to come, so please subscribe if you haven't subscribed till now. And also for more videos and more content, you can follow me on my Instagram, and for more entertainment videos you can follow me on my TikTok. So the profiles and links will be down below in the description box. See you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.